Go outside tonight. Find the constellation Orion. Look for the bright reddish star in the upper left corner. That is Betelgeuse. Just another star in a crowded sky. But that star is not like the others. It is dying. It is one of the largest and most unstable objects in the entire galaxy. And at any moment, tonight, tomorrow, next year, or 1,000 years from now, it will explode with a violence so extreme that it will be visible in broad daylight from every corner of the Earth. We will not see it coming. There will be no warning. The sky will simply change forever. To understand what Betelgeuse is, you have to understand its size. Our Sun is large enough to fit 1 million Earths inside it. Betelgeuse is large enough to fit 1 billion suns. If you replaced our Sun with Betelgeuse, its surface would extend past the orbit of Jupiter. Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, all of them swallowed. All of them vaporized inside the body of a single star. It is grotesquely, impossibly large, a bloated red monster nearing the end of a life that has lasted 8 million years. And it is running out of time. Stars live by burning fuel. Our Sun burns hydrogen. It has been doing so for 4.6 billion years and will continue for another 5 billion. But Betelgeuse burned through its hydrogen long ago. It moved on to helium, then carbon, then oxygen, then neon. Each fuel burns faster than the last. Each stage is shorter, more desperate. Right now, deep inside the core of Betelgeuse, the star is burning silicon. Silicon burning lasts approximately 1 year. After silicon comes iron. And when a star reaches iron, it is over. The core collapses in less than a second, and then it explodes. We call it a supernova, and Betelgeuse is almost there. In late 2019, something happened. Astronomers watching Betelgeuse noticed it was dimming. Not slightly, dramatically. It lost 2/3 of its brightness in just a few months. Telescopes around the world locked onto it. Scientists began to whisper. Was this it? Was Betelgeuse about to explode? The internet called it the Great Dimming. For weeks, astronomers watched in silence, waiting for the sky to change. It did not explode. The dimming turned out to be a massive ejection of material from the surface, a giant cloud of gas and dust that briefly blocked our view. But the message was clear. Betelgeuse is not stable. It is not quiet. It is convulsing. It is a star in its final death throes. And the Great Dimming was likely a preview of what is coming. When Betelgeuse finally explodes, the event will be unlike anything in recorded human history. For weeks, possibly months, it will shine brighter than the full moon. You will be able to see it in the middle of the day. It will cast shadows at night. It will be the brightest object in the sky after the sun itself. Every human on Earth will see it. Every culture, every civilization. There will be no ignoring it. For a brief period, our night sky will be permanently changed. The familiar pattern of Orion will be missing its shoulder. One of the stars humans have navigated by for thousands of years will simply be gone. And in its place, for a few weeks, a blinding point of light brighter than anything we have ever seen. And then it will fade. Over months, it will dim. Over years, it will disappear. And what will be left is either a neutron star or a black hole, a point of infinite gravity where Betelgeuse used to be. The beautiful red star that humans have watched for thousands of years will become one of the most dangerous objects in the galaxy. A dark, silent, invisible trap sitting 700 light-years from Earth. But here is the thing that changes everything. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. Betelgeuse is 700 light-years away. That means the light we see when we look at Betelgeuse tonight left that star 700 years ago. We are not seeing Betelgeuse as it is. We are seeing it as it was. In the year 1300, when the Black Death was spreading across Europe, when there were no telescopes, when no human knew what a star actually was. That is the Betelgeuse we see tonight. The Betelgeuse of right now, the real one, is 700 years further along. 700 more years of burning. 700 more years of dying. And it is possible, genuinely possible, that the real Betelgeuse has already exploded, that the shockwave is already racing toward us at the speed of light, that the light from the explosion is already on its way, and we will not know until it arrives. Tonight, the sky looks exactly as it always has. Orion stands in his place. Betelgeuse burns in the upper left corner. Familiar, quiet, safe. But that light is old. And somewhere between here and there, 700 light-years of empty space, the answer is already traveling toward us. We just have to wait.